How to delete your TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your TikTok account. So to do that, first of all, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. And then simply go to your profile, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be taken to your profile page. Now, in order to delete your account, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right side of your screen. Now from the bottom side of the screen, three different options will appear where you'll have to tap on the option settings and privacy. Now you'll be taken to the settings page where you'll have to tap on the account option, which is right over here. Now it will basically provide you 5 different options: account information, password, switch to business account, download your data, and deactivation or delete your account. So tap on the final option and then you will be redirected to this page where it will again provide you with 2 different options. You can either delete your account or you can deactivate your account. So since we are here to delete our TikTok account, we'll tap on the second one. Now you'll have to choose a reason as to why you are leaving TikTok. Now you can choose any one of these reasons, but if you don't, you can simply skip this process. And now if you want, you can download your TikTok data, but if you don't, simply tap on this circle icon right over here and then tap on the option continue. And once you've done that, you'll have successfully deleted your TikTok account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.